If you want this cool button effect in your website or in your client website, make sure to watch this video until the end. If you're new to this channel, my name is Gautam. I'm a web designer and a social media manager. I sell my service to local businesses, and now I'm trying to teach you how to do the same. So let's get back to the video. Now we are inside the Gohiglevel website builder. For the sake of this video, I've removed all the CSS code which is inside this template. By the way, if you want this website, you can find it in link in the description. But at the moment, let's see how to implement the button effect. If you go into the Gohiglevel code snippets, which you can also find it in the link in the description, or if you already have it, go into the button style. You have two different effects, and you'll be getting lots of different effects. As you see, new animation coming soon. I will be updating lots of different codes all the time, weekly. If I'm working on my own project or on the client projects, or if you want me to make some new animations, let me know. I'll just figure out in the CSS and I'll put it in. So for this, you have to copy the code, go inside and paste it in the custom CSS, and copy this text, button effect 1. You can just type it in. For me, I'm a bit lazy. I'm just copying it. Copy, save, and after saving the code, select the button you want the animation to reflect. Go to advanced and save that button effect 1 and just hit enter. As you can see, you can get that gradient effect in the button. So this is making your life easier. Instead of copying the CSS selector and going inside the custom CSS and copying it all over again, and it's going to take a lot of time, because if you are building a website, there will be lots and lots of button inside. For example, like this, like, it makes sense to put a lot of button, but at the same time, it's going to take a long time to edit all the animations. That's why I made it sure that to put a single caption instead of copying all the codes. And there's another code. Instead of having a gradient effect, you can just have a simple change on hover. The same thing, go on the custom CSS, paste it, and copy this button effect 2, save it, and go into advanced, paste it. Voila, it's so simple. And if you want to change the different color on hover or different gradient style in this button style, you can just go inside and change these sections. If you want 2 other or 3 other colors, just go into the color picker. You can pick any of the color. If you want to use all the tools I'm using while making my website, you can find it on the free asset, which is linked in the description. And on the button effect 2, you just have to change this color section and click save. So instead of using the CSS again and again, you can just use that button effect and copy it inside the custom class, and you're good to go. And now I have put in the custom class on all the buttons. As you can see, it's that simple. You don't have to waste a lot of time, and you can find those codes inside this GHL code snippets. Right now it's on sale for a couple of months until end of Feb 2025. Make sure to get this before the sale ends and make some cool websites for you and your clients. I hope you got some value out of this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.